Hello everyone, my name is Shreya and I'm a legal intern at Lexis and Company. I am pursuing PLLB honors from Law College Dehradun Uttaranchal University. I am currently in 7th semester and I am glad to have this opportunity of interning at Lexis and Company, because of which I am able to present to you guys with this video. So the purpose and topic for this video will be, I'll explain to you the second principle of natural justice, that is rule against the bias. I'll also explain this the various components under this second essential of the principle of natural justice. I have explained the first principle of natural justice, that is the Audi Ultram Partem, with its essentials in my previous video on the same topic, principles of natural justice. So today I'll begin with the rule against bias. So the rule against bias is based on basically three maxims. First, that no man shall be the judge in his own cause. That is, if you are the party to the case, you will not be allowed to decide your own case. Second, that justice should not only be done but also manifestly and undoubtedly be seen to be done. So this is also one of the very popular maxim you must have heard before, that is, it is not that merely we see that justice is being done, but it should actually be done, not superficially but actually. So the third maxim is that the judges, like the Caesar's wife, should be above suspension. That is, those judges which we doubt that they will decide the case on some other basis except on the evidence which is to be done according to the rules of the court, and we avoid such judges. That is, according to the dictionary meaning, anything which stands or may be regarded as tending to cause such a person to decide the case otherwise than on evidence must be held to be the bias. So the Supreme Court had said that a predisposition to decide for or against one party without proper regard to the true merits of the dispute is biasness. If you do not give true regard to the merits of the case and you decide the case on some other basis, such will be the biasness on the part of the judge. And the principle of natural justice do not prefer such thing. So what is the rule against the bias? Actually, the as we have mentioned, the first condition of natural justice is that the judge should be impartial, neutral, and must be free from bias. So he should not regard any personal thing or any other thing which he is forced to do. Such thing will not be allowed in the court of justice and will be condemned. That is, there should be no bias of any kind. So such judge is supposed to be neutral to the parties according to the rule, and one cannot act as a judge of a cause in which he himself has some interest, his personal interest, because of which we can expect that such judge will not decide the case on its true basis but give regard to his personal interest. So a judge should be in position to act judicially and to decide the matter objectively on the true merits of the case. So this rule applies to the administrative authorities to act judicially or quasi-judicially, that is in the according to the terms and conditions of the judiciary. So what are the types of bias? The first is the pecuniary bias. What pecuniary bias states that it is well settled the least pecuniary interest in the subject matter of litigation will disqualify any person from acting as the judge. If you have the least amount of interest, then also you will be disregarded as the judge in that particular case. So the Griffith and Street have rightly stated that a pecuniary interest, however slight, will disqualify, even though it is not proved that the decision in any way was affected. No matter he have acted partially or not, if he has any kind of interest in the party, such decision will be set aside. So there was this case of Maneklal versus Premchand Singhvi, 1957. In this case, the Supreme Court remarked that it is obvious that the pecuniary interest, however, shall be a subject matter of the proceeding and would wholly disqualify a member from acting as a judge. So this was said in Maneklal versus Premchand Singhvi. Again, the same thing. So the next kind of bias is the personal bias. The personal bias includes a situation where the judge may be a relative, friend, or a business associate of the party, and the such basis may also include grudge, enmity, or grievance or professional rivalry against the party. Therefore, in such condition also, judge will not be party to the case. So there was this case of Kottal versus Kottal, 1939, where the chairman of the bank was a friend of the wife's family, from the wife's background, and who had instituted matrimonial proceedings against her husband, and the wife had told the husband that the chairman would decide the case in her favor of because that person is the relative of her. So the decision which was set aside in this case, which was given in this case, was set aside. So the third kind of bias here is the departmental bias. So the question of departmental bias was considered by the Supreme Court in Nageshwar Rao case. This is also a very popular case. What happened in this case was the petitioner had challenged the order of the government nationalizing the road transport. So this is very important case. One of the ground for this challenge was that the secretary of the transport department who gave the hearing was biased, and being the person who initiated the scheme and also being the head of the department whose responsibility was to execute it. So the court, as we have studied this principle, on that basis the court quashed the order that under these circumstances the secretary was biased, and hence there was no opportunity of fair hearing. Thus we have to quash this order. So this was all about the rule against bias and the types of bias. Hence we come to the end of the video of on topic principles of natural justice. I hope you guys have understood this video and liked this video. So if you have any question, do ask me, and also share the feedback. So thank you everyone for watching, and do not forget to like and share this video as much as you can. Thank you everyone.